Ash, James, Jesse, Giovanni. Let's see Pokemon. So first of all, James Pokemons. So James is a very powerful team member and he always have multiple Pokemon and he always on different type Pokemon. So see these Pokemon and enjoy it. And you already know Belly is a very powerful Pokemon and he is a very cute for me, okay? Not a James. James always he Pokemon by James. So enjoy it. See Pokemons, okay? Okay, so let's see top 4 Pokemon of James. Let's see, okay? So top 4 Pokemon is, guess who's the top 4? Let's go. First, fire type Pokemon. Okay, second one, guess who? He's a Belief. Okay, number 3, guess he's a Corpik. Number 4, guess. Number 4, one and only Bug type Pokemon. So let's go. Okay, so that was it. So let's see. But you have idea and if you have team, so comment down now your team. Okay, for James. Okay, so let's continue with Jesse Pokemons. Okay, so next Jesse have always multiple Pokemon. Okay, so if you not know, so that team is my fanmade team. Okay, so I insert anyone. Okay, so if you want have best team, so comment down now. Okay, so my team is always very strong and very different of others. Okay, let's go and enjoy it. That's my team. Okay, so this is a very strongest team because I am a very intelligent Mazak, just fun. Okay, okay, so let's see top 4 Pokemon of Jesse. Okay, let's go. Jesse have multiple Pokemon, but top 4 is guess top 3, top 4. Let's go. That was it. Okay, Ekans is always for she. Okay, so let's see next. Guess. Who's the next? Next one is Giovanni. Okay, so let's see Giovanni Pokemons. Okay, so who is Giovanni? Giovanni is the leader of Team Rocket. Okay, he have multiple powerful Pokemon and he already on multiple legendary type Pokemon because he catch with fraud. Okay, let's go. So he have multiple Pokemon like Articuno and Golar, and he on Mewtwo. Mewtwo, robotic Mewtwo he already have. So he is a very strongest villain of all time. So that was it. So guess top 4 Pokemon of Giovanni. Guess. If you want top 4 Pokemon with your team, so comment down now. Okay, and Metagross is already that team. Okay, so let's see top 4 Pokemon of Giovanni. Okay, so that was it. Okay, so top 4 of Giovanni. Let's go. Mewtwo, Articuno, and number 3, Moltres. Number 4, guess. He's a insane Pokemon. Okay, so comment down this Pokemon name. Okay, so last trainer. Who's the last trainer? Guess. So last trainer is one and only Ash Ketchum. So Ash Ketchum Pokemon insane. You already know. And Ash have multiple Pokemon different type reason. Let's go. Ash Pikachu, Bulbasaur, and third one is guess. He's a Taurus and multiple type Pokemon Infernape and be multiple. Okay, he already on multiple. Okay, and if you not know, so then I say he already have 30 plus Taurus, bro. Insane powers. Okay, and he already have Snorlax and have multiple Pokemon. Okay, so 6th one is Charizard. Okay, so that was it. So let's see top 4 Pokemon of Ash Ketchum. Okay, so that was it. This is my top 6 Pokemon. Okay, so let's see top 4 Pokemon of Ash Ketchum. Opinion mine. Okay, let's go. So top 4 Pokemon. Guess who's the top 1? You already know. Here's a Pikachu. Let's go. Number 2. Guess. Number 2 is Charizard. Number 3 is Infernape. Let's go. Okay, number 4, guess. Number 4, one and only Snorlax. So thanks for watching and enjoyed. So subscribe now. Okay, bye bye. Take care.